the PBS Learning Media website, and it is filled with all kinds of resources that you can use in the classroom. And my audience for this will definitely be my students, because they can engage in lessons and different activities that I assigned them, and also my colleagues if they're interested in collaborating. You have so many subjects to choose from, and how I intend to use this is to focus on science and social studies, although I'm not opposed to looking at the other subjects. So here you have grades, and I teach second, so I'm going to choose early elementary. And if you go over to discipline, here again are your subjects, and I'm choosing science. And then in this drop-down menu, it shows you all the different options you have. You can choose video, interactive lessons. I'm going to choose lesson plan and choose sun, moon, and star patterns in the sky. And here you have a complete lesson. So it tells you what you need to prep, how much time it would take, the grades that you could teach it to, procedure, support materials. I love this. Here you have vocabulary. Just so many options. And then over here you have some videos you could choose from on the right hand side, and you can share it to your Google Classroom, or assign it through whichever platform you choose. It's just endless. It's great. So here is my dashboard, and over here to the left you have tools. So you can build your own lesson, you can make a quiz, very, very easy to do. Choose your style, your type of question, and save and assign. And then something that I think is fantastic is the storyboard. And students can create their own storyboard. You can create one as a class, or they could do it as a group. So many options with that. And then another thing I found that was neat was the creative puzzle. So I made a solar system puzzle. And it's just fun and easy, so they can click on it, or you even have the option to print it out. So now this is what it looks like from the student's perspective, and I have my son on here, Nicholas, and so this is how it would look for them. Let's go back to teacher view. So again, it's such a great resource, and it's easy to assign to students, and I'm looking forward to using this, especially when I teach online in the fall. And I feel that it speaks to the ISTE standards for educational leaders. Definitely 1B ensures all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic, engaging learning opportunities. And also 3C, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So these are the ISTE standards for educational leaders that I feel align with this website and how I intend to use it.